Okay. Hi everybody, thank you for joining us. This is Dr. Tahir from Family Pediatrics, and today I'll be talking to you guys about a very common thing that I talk to lots of parents about. So I'll be doing a video on this so that you guys know how to address this problem when you experience it, okay? And today we have Connor, 4-year-old, who will be helping us. Connor, you do a high five, honey? Good job. He brought his lollipop today and he brought his dimples today. And the concern that we have for him is that he has very dry skin, especially around the face and also on his back. So if we can take a look at his face a little closer, you might be able to see that there's some redness here. It might be hard to tell on the camera though. But if you feel his skin, you'll feel rough skin. And sometimes before you see the redness, you'll feel the roughness of the skin just by dragging your fingers gently across the skin. The most common areas kids get this is usually the cheeks, also behind the ears. They also commonly get this dry skin on the arms, especially by the elbow area, and sometimes all over the back and the stomach. So in his case, he's got it mostly on his cheeks. Now, the most important thing to remember to treat this is to try to use only unscented products for him, okay? So we're talking unscented soaps, unscented lotions, unscented detergent. Most of the baby products have a lot of fragrance in them, so they smell really nice, but they can make lots of kids break out. So remember, unscented soap, unscented lotion, unscented detergent, okay? So when you go to the store, take a look out for those products. It doesn't have to be in the baby aisle. When I was treating my kids for this when they were younger, I would go to the adult aisle. You get bigger bottles, less expensive. As long as it says unscented or it says sensitive skin, you're set, okay? So common products, common brands that are good are Lubriderm, Eucerin is very common. So those two, for example, work well, but there are 1,000 other ones there when you go to the store. Along with changing to unscented products and lotions, it's very important to put lotion on at least 2 or 3 times a day, especially in the winter time, because the air is much drier in the winter time than it is in the summertime. So lotion 2 or 3 times a day, head to toe if you can, okay? And then along with lotion, depending on how bad the dry skin may be, I'll be giving you a prescription for some steroid medicine that'll be safe to use on the itchy areas, that helps the itchy areas to heal up, all right? But the important part is the stuff that you're going to do at home with the unscented products and lotioning up a lot too. The next thing that is important to do in the wintertime especially is to make sure that you have a humidifier in the house or the room, because the furnace air is super dry too, and that can make the skin dry out even more.
Me and Ben got fires.
Good, yep. So a humidifier is very important, either a whole house humidifier or a room humidifier, okay? And there's different kinds of those that you can get that I can talk about later. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this today, and thank you so much, honey, for being a movie star today. You were very good, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.